Welcome everyone to a brief Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 tutorial. I'll be focusing today on three components: position of your scene, scale of your scene, and how to make those transitions smooth if you're planning to change position and scale. So let's begin. After you import your file to the Project tab on the lower left, double-click on it. It will pop up in the Source menu. Make a selection of the scene that you would like. You can drag video, audio. Let's, in this particular instance, let's choose both for a short segment. And then you can make selections by using I for India to start the selection and O for Omega to end the selection, and then you drag that selection to your timeline. Once it appears on a timeline, select a cursor. With the cursor, select a place where you would like the transition or position to start, and click also to select the scene that you're working on. And once you're in the graphics, select effect controls, and the menu will pop up, and it says motion, position, and scale. You can use toggle for both if you're planning just to stationary change a shot. For example, if you're planning for the scene to be in the corner or in the middle or anywhere else you would like, and then it's going to be stationary. If you would like to have a motion after selection of the toggle, you go to your right, and there's two triangles with the circles in the middle. And once you select that circle, it says add or remove keyframes. Then it can be starting or finishing point of your transition. So the transition could be very smooth or very fast, and you can transition both position and scale. As well as you see, there's a few other options below, but I just want to focus on these two main one, position and scale. And once you find the desired location and the speed of the transition, you're ready to work on the next section. I'll bring a description of all of this below, so you'll have an opportunity to review it or even print it out as you need it. Thank you.